frying our tilapia. Don't worry, I'm going to have that covered. Just that I want to show you how it's done. So we're going to fry this for 5 to 8 minutes, and then you flip it over for the other side to cook. So after this, we just have it covered with the lid and then let it cook, because we will be needing fried tilapia for our recipe for today. It for our fish and vegetable, because it is actually this one, oyster sauce. Yes, that's our secret ingredient for today. So instead of tomato sauce, we have put in oyster sauce. So this is going to be the sauce of our fish today. It's done already if it simmers, and we had put in the chili and the pepper, ground pepper. It's done already.